Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how to delete my WhatsApp account permanently. Sometimes you make your WhatsApp account and later you want to delete your WhatsApp account due to some reasons. You don't want to have a WhatsApp account in the number. So in this video I am teaching you about this. So let's start. And firstly, before starting the video, I am telling you something, that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. Let's start. You have to go to the Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So if the WhatsApp is not updated, you have to click on update. So after updating, you have to open your WhatsApp. You can see that this is my WhatsApp, and after open this you have to click on these three dot lines. So you have to go to the setting and then click on the account, and you can see that the first is security and two-step verification, change number, request account, and the last one is delete account. So you have to click on the delete account option. So you have to select your country. These are many countries. After selecting the country, you have to put your number of, you have to delete the number on which your WhatsApp account was made. So you have to enter the number. After entering the number, you have to click on this delete account option. So I enter my number and I click on delete account option. So after entering the number and click on delete account, you have to give the reason. So click on reason and I give reason I am changing my device. So you have to click on the delete account option and you have to click on the delete account option again, and you can see that your WhatsApp account is being deleted. So this easiest way you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So if you face any hurdle or any problem in this easy process, you can comment me and feel free to contact me through comment. So thanks.